English journey. Common verbs in English. Go. My mother and I go for a walk in the park every evening. She goes to the library to study her lessons. Eat. I sometimes eat pizza for lunch. He eats salad to lose weight. Run. The children run around the playground, laughing and playing games. She runs 5 miles every morning before work to stay fit. Jump. I jumped over the puddle to avoid getting wet. The athlete jumps hurdles in competitions. Sing. I sing karaoke with my friends every Friday night. The athlete sings the national anthem at a sports event. Sleep. He always sleeps with a soft pillow under his head. I slept on the couch while watching a movie. Study. I study hard for my driver's license exam every night. They study law at the university. Learn. I learn new words in English every day. He learns math in the online class. Read. I usually read a novel before going to bed. She reads a biography of a famous scientist. Play. She plays chess with her grandfather every weekend. We play volleyball at the beach every summer. Talk. I usually talk to my doctor about my health concerns. He talks to his boss about a promotion. Listen. I listened to a podcast about personal finance on my way home. She listens to classical music to relax. Cook. She cooks a delicious cake for her anniversary. I cook a recipe from my grandmother's cookbook. Hate. I hate cleaning the bathroom. She hates spiders. Create. I create a vision board to visualize my goals. She creates a sculpture from clay in her free time. Smile. I smile when I receive a compliment. They smile at strangers to brighten their day. Write. She writes her own songs for her band. I love to write about everything I learn. Drink. They like to drink cool water in the hot weather. My family doesn't drink soda with their meals.